Players in the property industry sector are calling on the Kenya Revenue Authority to engage them as it seeks to map out landlords. KRA, in a bid to widen its tax basket, has been asking developers to submit details of buyers of their properties. Here are details.
Last week, Citizen Television learned of a new tax by the Kenya Revenue Authority to have property developers provide important details of their clients to help the taxman improve collections in rental income tax. Much as the move has been welcomed by the industry, players are calling for more stakeholder engagement.
In any case, most of these projects are operated by the welfare associations, not necessarily the developers, because they exist at the point of handing over. So we need more consultation, we need more involvement as developers to put in our take, especially when it comes to the government looping us in facilitating that. But by the end of the day, everybody will have to pay their tax obligation.
Asking developers to provide property owners or tenants PINs, ID numbers, rental income, among other details, players say is a move that may not be appreciated by some investors, especially those who choose to keep a low profile.
Giving out their details might bring some legal litigations here and there, and you don't want to put our fingers there.
Meanwhile, Housing Secretary Patrick Butcher says the government is committed to partnering with SACCOs in ensuring that Kenyans get access to affordable housing under the Big Four agenda.
Cooperatives have got land, cooperatives have got members who really can offer the offtake of some of these houses, and we are still working and discussing with cooperative the major role they are going to play in affordable housing.
And because the low-cost houses is not as lucrative to the business, the only person who can do it without worrying so much about the margins are the cooperatives.
Butcher spoke during the handing over of houses to members of Uruthi Housing Cooperative Society in Juja, Kiambu County. The government has set its eyes on developing 500,000 houses across the country by the year 2020.